just when you thought it was safe to go back in the woods,
I just saw something big moving between the trees.
you are about to witness the most incredible footage ever captured on videotape.
I got a feeling I should turn around.
Get ready to meet the ultimate nature's child.
I was all alone. My only companion was my camcorder. And then,
Take a look at these tracks.
this footprint is shaped like a normal human footprint, but look at the size of it. Look at my size 14 shoe. The footprint is much bigger. There are more of them leading off into the woods. And then I saw something else.
I just saw something big moving up ahead between the trees. I think I better turn around.
At first I thought it was a bear. But it wasn't a bear. It wasn't a bear at all. It wasn't even close. It was huge. Black fur-covered giant something. It was horrible. I couldn't believe it was happening. How could I expect anyone else to?
Oh my God. I gotta get out of here.
So I dropped the camcorder. Then I ran off as fast as I could. I didn't look back. I ran until I dropped. I thought, this can't be happening. This can't be happening to me. I thought about my wife, my family. Would I ever see him again? Nobody can know what it's like unless it happens to you. No way. No way could this be happening to me. No. I kept thinking, this thing's gonna get me. He's right behind me. These are my last moments of life. So I just lay there for a while waiting, but nothing happened. Finally, I looked up. He wasn't anywhere to be seen. Then I thought, that camcorder is my only proof. I had to go back. So I started backtracking. And sure enough, I found his footprints. My camcorder was gone. I'm sorry. Then I got very angry. This thing took my camcorder. I'm going to get it back. So I took off after it. I followed its tracks. Well, after a couple of hours, it was starting to get dark, and I was just about to turn around. And all of a sudden I saw this glint up ahead. Something metallic. I ran up, and it was the camcorder. When I dropped the camcorder, the view screen was open, tape was rolling. This creature picked it up, saw what was going on, and started to point it at things. He figured out how to use it. And now, for the first time in the history of the world on network television, ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness the footage recorded by the camcorder after the creature picked it up.
I just saw something big moving up ahead between the trees. I think I better turn around. Oh my God. I gotta get out of here.
This incredible footage proves that not only do these creatures actually exist, they may be a lot more intelligent than we give them credit for. Look at this. Can they actually read? Well, maybe not. So I got the camcorder back, and the rest is history.